Let's set up a lounge area. Start by laying your rug out. Next, add your largest furniture piece. This is usually a couch or a love seat. Center this on the rug. Add some armchairs to either side of the couch. You'll then want to add in your coffee table in the center. Once all the furniture pieces are in, start adding the large accent pieces. This can include side tables and plants. Lastly, add in the small accent pieces. This can be pillows, florals, or candles. Light your candles just before your event, and you're ready to lounge about. Looking for more tutorials? Check out our website for more videos.